Oh, no, no, no. Don't throw that. Samantha, put that back. Where does that go? Be careful, honey. I know, but you can fall on the crib. Mickey's in timeout. Well, tell him. Say no. You have to get a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, there we go.